Hey guys, this is Deepak and welcome to the Tech Particle channel. This is the ninth video tutorial series, C++ programming series. In this video, we will mainly deal with the topic switch case of control structure. Now we will write a program to demonstrate a switch case. Hash include IO stream using namespace std int main. Now we'll make a variable int of choice, say ch, and then we will enter the choice, means we will pop a message, enter your choice. Then the user will enter choice ch. Now we will apply switch case on this choice ch. This is the syntax for switch case. Now here, since this choice ch, it is passing in the switch case, this is the controlling expression. We can write here any expression or mathematical expression that can calculate, and it will give some result, and according to that result our conditions will be executed. So this is the syntax of switch case. I will just make 2 to 3 cases, like if the choice entered by the user is 1, then it will execute you have entered 1, and then it will break here. If we will not use this break statement, then what will happen? All the cases after that it will be executed. Means not only single particular case will be executed, all the cases after that it will be executed until it will get a break statement. So the break statement is important in this. You have entered 2, or you have entered second choice, then it will break, else case number 3, it will out the same thing, you have entered 3, and then it will end the line and break. So say if we enter a random number, say 1000, and we have not made any cases corresponding to 1000, so we make a default case. What happens in default, that if none of the above will executed, if none of the above is executed, it means that our choice is not a valid choice, so it will out by invalid input. Now I will just compile and see whether it is giving any error. It is giving 0 error and 0 warning, so I will just execute it. Now I will just enter my choice, say I am entering 2. So since I have entered 2, it has shown that you have entered 2, so this program is right. In this way switch case work. The key feature of switch case is that we have to take care of the break statement. Means we have to care about, we should write break statement after the end of the some particular case, otherwise the same thing will be executed again and again. Let me see for a demo that how it will get executed. Say I have just removed the break statement from case 1, and now if I will enter 1, then it will give me 2 cases. This case 1 and case 2, the both statement will be executed. See, you have entered 1 and 2. Since I have just comment the break statement of case 1, so this statement, if the case 1 is executed as well, it find no break statement, then case 2 is also executed. So 2 statement, you have entered 1 and you have entered 2, both executed. It is giving the output. So break statement is important. So be careful in applying break statement. So this was about switch cases. So we have seen if else, if, and else switch cases. All the three conditional structure we have seen. Now in the coming videos we will focus on loop structures, on different type of loop, for while loop, do while loop. So do practice of this. So let's come to homework program. So you have to write a program that will take a day number from the user, and you have to use a switch case and print the day. Say if the user entered day number as 1, so you have to say this is the first day of the week, that is Monday. And if it is entering 3, then you have to say it is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. And if it is entering 6th day, so you have to write it is a Saturday. In this way you have to use the switch case and you have to write a program. So please do practice, and if you feel any difficulty, so comment in the comment section. Thank you.